What if one of the most powerful leaders on Earth was almost attacked inside his own home? That's the claim Russia made this week. According to Moscow, Ukraine launched a drone attack targeting one of Vladimir Putin's residences. Well, Ukraine denies it completely. No independent proof. Conflicting stories, rising tension, and the timing couldn't be worse. Because this claim didn't appear during a major battlefield escalation, it appeared right when peace talks were quietly being discussed. So the real question isn't just what happened. The real question is, why does this claim matter? And what could it change next? Russia says it intercepted multiple long-range drones aimed at a presidential residence. Officials claim air defense systems stopped the drones before any damage occurred. They also say Vladimir Putin was not at the location at the time. On the surface, this sounds like another wartime incident. But this was not a military base. It was not a weapons facility. It was not a frontline target. It was a personal residence associated with the Russian president. That distinction matters because it changes how this event is interpreted politically and diplomatically. Ukraine immediately rejected the claim. Ukrainian officials described the allegation as false and unprovable. They argued there was no evidence, no verified footage, and no independent confirmation to support Russia's version of events. They also questioned the logic behind the claim. Why would Ukraine carry out such an attack now, at a moment when diplomatic channels were reportedly active? That question is central to understanding why this story matters. In geopolitics, timing is rarely accidental. This claim did not emerge after a major Ukrainian offensive. It did not follow a sudden shift on the battlefield. Instead, it appeared during a sensitive phase, when discussions around de-escalation and negotiation were being quietly explored. When allegations like this surface at such moments, they can serve strategic purposes regardless of whether they are proven true. They can harden public opinion, justify stronger actions, and reduce the space for compromise. This does not automatically mean the claim is false, but it does mean the timing amplifies its impact. International reactions were cautious. No major global power rushed to confirm the allegation. There were no independent verifications and no immediate endorsements of the claim. Instead, most responses focused on restraint, stability, and avoiding further escalation. That restraint is important. In modern conflicts, unverified claims can influence decisions long before facts are established. And once those decisions are made, they are difficult to reverse. When leaders believe their personal safety has been threatened, several things change. Emotions begin to influence strategy, public pressure increases, and the willingness to compromise declines. Even if an attack did not occur, the belief that it did can still shape outcomes. History shows that wars often escalate not because of confirmed facts, but because of perception. And perception spreads faster than truth. If evidence never appears, this claim may eventually fade from headlines, but its effect on negotiations may already be felt. If the narrative is reinforced domestically, it could be used to justify tougher positions or future actions. And if similar claims continue to surface, trust between parties will erode even further. The greatest danger is not immediate escalation. It is the normalization of unverified events becoming triggers for serious decisions. That is how conflicts become harder to control. This story is not just about drones or one residence. It is about how fragile diplomacy becomes during war. When claims emerge without proof, when timing aligns with sensitive negotiations, and when global reactions remain cautious, it reveals something critical. The most dangerous moments in modern conflicts are not always loud or visible. They are the quiet claims that influence decisions behind closed doors. And that is why this matters.